All right, this is number 75 on page 519. Now, if you didn't watch the video on number 73, please go watch that, because I kind of talked a little bit about what even and odd functions were and these even and odd identities. Again, I probably shouldn't have assigned this one because I didn't have time to go over these identities in class and prove them, but if we just assume that we have these identities and they are true, we should be able to test to see whether this one is even or odd. To test for even or odd, you just substitute in a negative x and see what you get. So every place I see an x, I'm going to substitute a negative x. Now, when you take the absolute value of a negative x, that's equivalent to the absolute value of x. And because cosine is an even function, basically the cosine of negative theta is just cosine theta, so this is cosine x. And as you can see, this is exactly the same as my original function. Therefore, this would be an even function. That's really it.